False alarms from smoke detectors in the middle of the night or anytime is definitely annoying. And in this short video, I'll show you how to easily prevent it from happening. At least this is what worked for me. So whenever it happens, I removed it from the ceiling to deal with it later when I'm more awake. Upon inspecting the smoke detector, I saw a spider crawl out of it. Immediately, I knew that was the cause. So I remembered the advice I heard about regularly cleaning out smoke detectors. I thought it was just extra work and frankly just not necessary. But after seeing the spider, I cleaned out all my detectors and haven't had any false alarms ever since. This is one of the detectors that recently gone off. See the cobweb coming out of it? So this leads me to believe bugs crawling around inside are what causes false alarms in the middle of the night. To remove debris, use a can of compressed air or an electronic blower. Just make sure to hit all the openings to get rid of dust, cobwebs, bugs, and whatever else might be trapped inside. Doing this will definitely help prevent false alarms. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.